Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I think by now you must have received your JEE main result and congratulations जिनका भी अच्छा percentile आया है. You can prepare for your JEE advance now. So for those who have scored a good percentile in JEE mains, even if they don't get good rank in JEE advance, they can still get into a good NIT of their choice or their branch they can get. But for others who haven't scored well, the only chance they have, the only option they are left with is choosing a private college or taking a drop. So if you are thinking about taking a private college, then this video is for you. So today I will be telling you about a private college which is Rungta College of Engineering and Technology. So it is in Raipur, Chhattisgarh. So the good thing about this college is that there is no such requirement that you have to get 75% in your boards, but I guess the only requirement is that you have to pass with like whatever board you are in, you have to pass it, and 45% is required. So obviously you must have got that, and it is necessary to give JEE mains. According to your JEE marks only, they'll give you admission into their college. So before taking any college, what you see is its package. So the highest package offered was 48 lakh per annum, which was offered by DBS Bank, and which is very good if you see, like according to a private college which is not even asking for a very good percentage or percentile, then it's fine. It has the best placement record in Central India. Then it was established in 1999, so like it is kind of old institute. So the application fees for this college is ₹0. So you just have to go and fill the form and all your details. The link is mentioned in the description, check it out, and if you have any query, then there is a number you can give a call on it. Now the next thing comes is the ranking. So by NACC it has been given A grade, and by various other renowned resources it has been given the following ranks. You can check it here. Apart from BTech, there are many more courses like MTech, BBA, BCA, MCA, and medical courses, pharmacy courses are also there, so you can check it. The next thing is your fees. The fees is very important because mostly in private colleges the fees is very high. At least the minimum is 10 lakh, like for the whole BTech. But for this college, for your whole BTech degree, you just have to pay 5.92 lakhs, including your hostel and mess fees, which is very less. Like I can say that it is very less if you're including your hostel and mess fees. Even in IITs, for one year you have to give 1 lakh rupees. IITs and NITs. And if you are taking CS, because CS is like the top-notch branch and from which you can get a good package and everything. So even if you are taking CS, your fees will be 5.92 lakhs, which is very less compared to other private colleges. So if you think you won't get a good percentile, you don't want to take a drop, you can consider it as an option. So yeah, if you want, you can check it out. And taking a college is a big decision, so you can just do some research, and there is an inquiry number you can call. So the link is given in the description. You can fill the form. You just have to fill your name, number, and the branches you prefer, the college you want, and your percentile and 12th percentage also. Then you will get to know if you can, what branch you can get in this college. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and tell me what other thing you want to know. Stay tuned for other videos.